All right, so what we're going to do now is do a quick demonstration of our solution, ChatGPT Report Builder. So basically, this solution lives within the ChatGPT platform. And the problem that you're trying to solve here is that during our conversation or exchange or research using ChatGPT, the AI output is actually of very high quality because right now it has capability to do web search and it also has the capability to do deep research. And therefore, some of the content here, or most of the content, is actually very much of high quality. But there seems to be a very large issue wherein how would we be able to transform or convert this content into something that is usable in our day-to-day work? And so for most people, what they do is copy the whole conversation, export it as a document, and they would then try to curate and format the information that was provided through ChatGPT. So what you're trying to solve here is we want to eliminate that tedious process, right? Because it's almost very administrative, and not all of us are good designers. And so now we now have a solution that you'd be able to convert those siloed content or conversations into something that is much more useful and you can get a lot of insights from. Okay. So what I'll do is perhaps I just want to have a let's say a quick overview of the information that was provided to me. So when I'm going to generate a report, I just want to, let's say, create a infographic, right? Um, and the font style I want to use is, let me see, the modern um, contemporary style. And then the color theme is I always want my web pages to be dark. So let's just choose dark premium. And then if let us say I'm going to share these insights with my colleagues or let us say with my clients, I can then put there my name, right? And then if they want to contact me, uh, I could also put my email there. Now, if you are a business and let us say you have your own logo, you can also do that here as well. There you go. And then that would be automatically uploaded. So once I generate that, I'll have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and that infographic would then be able to be completed and generated for me. So with the magic of video editing, we'll just skip a few seconds ahead, and the next time we'll see each other is once this window gets opened. All right. So after having a quick cup of coffee, the report only took about 90 seconds or 1 minute and a half. So now we have the option to be able to preview the report before you'll be able to send that to our colleagues. So there you go. As you can see here, uh, it was able to really synthesize the information on our conversation and gave us a high level view of the conversation, right? And then, yeah, it's beautifully formatted and then it's quite professional as well. And then if let us say you would want to share this with your colleagues, because after the generation of this report, it actually gets saved locally. But if you want to share it with your clients, with your colleagues, you can click publish here, and then it would open a dialog wherein you can then let us say if this is sensitive information and if it is only for your team, you can protect this with a password, right? And then once you save that and get a link that then gets uploaded to the cloud, and then you can copy this link and then you can share that with your team through an email or whatnot. Um, and after that, you can view the published report. which obviously would be the same as the preview material. However, one good thing here is that once, let us say, someone opens your file, we have engagement analytics so that you would actually be able to know that your file has been opened, how many times that it has been opened, and what is the average duration of the a person looking at your file, and obviously also the last date accessed of the shared file. And this is quite important because you would know that uh, the material that you have shared with, let's say, your clients or your team is actually of interest to them. And then from there, you can actually, okay, that material had, let's say, 20 views, so that means that people are viewing it. I'll probably make another material of the same um, formatting or content in the future. So yeah, so basically that's where we are now. And I'll end this a quick demonstration. I'll do several of these videos in the future just to highlight how powerful ChatGPT has become and how our solution, ChatGPT Report Builder, would be able to help you in your work to day-to-day workflow. So thank you so much, and you have a good one.